Smooth school mornings start with smart systems at home.
Yes, Kristen and Lisa of Be Organized are live in studio to demonstrate how to organize school keepsakes, manage active paperwork, and create a family command center. Plus also a special discount code to help you get started. Ladies, it's so good to have you back.
Thank you for having us here.
Yes. Okay, well, we obviously all know that back to school can feel pretty overwhelming. So if you only had, let's say, 1 weekend to get organized, where would you tell people to start?
Start with setting up systems, because it's not just the week back to school, it's the whole school year you want to keep in mind, right?
And you just want to calm the chaos.
Yes.
You know, you're going from the calm days of summer into
all of that.
So creating a command center or a launch pad, just whatever you can do to create systems in the comings and the goings, you know, in the morning and after school.
We say all the time, if you don't have a system, chaos wins all the time.
Absolutely. No, it's a great point. I'm sure there's a couple of usual suspects in the home that people deal with a lot. So what are the biggest clutter hotspops that people are dealing with?
Well, often we say any horizontal space.
Anywhere you can put something.
Awesome. I feel very
The garage door, the front door that you're coming in, wherever you're coming in,
the kitchen
just
counter,
dropped.
yes. But so that's why we've created some systems that are movable and can work anywhere that makes sense in your home.
Yeah. So typically the backpack comes in. If you have this command center, you can store it away. Pull it up to the kitchen counter. So the goal is empty out the backpack. You have a to-do for mom and dad to look at these forms that come in. Once it's done, mom and dad sign the papers, write the check. It just goes right back into the backpack, right? This is also kind of a homework zone. You've got, you know, your markers, we've got flashcards, things like that.
It's a staging spot to keep those library books.
So you can bring them back.
Yes, you want to read them, but you need to know where they are.
I
think they're coming after.
I know, I was like, read Spring High School. I'm so sorry. I still probably have a book about whales. But talk to us also, because something else that you guys talk about is a family launch pad. Talk to us about what that is and why it makes mornings so much less stressful.
Well, it's having everything like this, having things at the touch of your, you know, fingers, at the touch of your fingers.
Touch of your fingertips. We know what I'm saying.
So that you're not rushing around looking for where is that permission slip, where's that library book. So really creating, and a launch pad's going to look different for everybody based on the ages of your kids.
Well, I was going to say, I feel like you could use this, and you don't even have kids.
I need this for sure.
Having your phone, your charger, your glasses, your keys, all in one spot, right?
Phone, keys, wallet. But when we were talking a little bit about this too, the first thing that popped into my mind when we was talking about the to-do list is getting the kids to buy into that and putting that stuff. How do you get kids to buy into this as well?
Keeping it simple.
Labeling. I mean, they can see exactly where
what they're supposed to do.
And creating that system like we talked about.
And the idea on this system is a lot of those artwork, those projects come home that you want to look at. Then you need to make a decision: are we going to keep them? So you want to be really intentional. That's where we have this keepsake box. That if there are things that don't need to go back to school, don't need to go back in the backpack, put them in the keepsake box so that they're not adding clutter to the rest of the home.
Oh my gosh, yes. Well, guys, you always come here and have the most amazing tips. Can you let people know if they want to get in contact with you, utilize your guys' services, what's the best way to do that? And then that promo code that you have for them as well.
Beorganized.com. That's what it is. So KCTV5 promo code.
There you go. We have all the info on the screen. I know that everyone at home watching is going to want to utilize this. And again, even if you don't have kids, call them, because
100%.
Shane, you're going to need to do that.
If you need systems
we all
set
have
up,
stuff.
Listen, we know who to call. Well, ladies, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Always love being here.